Yo, what is up people? I am Trishana Roy and you're watching Tech Reviews. So let's start today's video. Today I'm gonna be reviewing the ThinkPad T490 from Lenovo. Let's start it. You can see this is the laptop itself. This is the T490. You can see the front and back and... Hey guys, I'm back. And you can see that over here there is a USB port. This can also transfer data. This is an Ethernet port. This is the locking thing of in all the Lenovo things, all the Lenovo laptops. And right here there is the charging thing. This has Type-C charging. So and it charges really fast. Over here there is the charging LED, Thunderbolt Type-C connectors, and this is another USB, this is HDMI, this is headphone jack, and this is micro SD. So you don't have big SD card slot, so that's not good. And now let's see inside the laptop. Here you can see that there is the logo of the ThinkPad itself, ThinkPad, it's written here, and this is also LED. I'll show that to you later. Now you can see the inside of it. You can see here, this is the fingerprint sensor, and the touchpad is really smooth and matte finish. This is the normal style of Lenovo's ThinkPad series. It has a matte finish and it's anti-scratch, which means suppose you got a scratch, you can just rub it and then the scratch will go. So that's anti-scratch, and it can go up till here also, like this much. It won't go more than that. In the Yoga series that will happen, but not in the ThinkPad series. So yeah, you can see here it's written Lenovo, and this is the, over here it's written T490 is this thing's name, and over here also there is the ThinkPad logo, and this is not LED, only this one is the LED, so you won't get LED here. Over here is the fingerprint sensor, and here is the power button. And you can also see that over here there are the speaker grills. So the speaker grills are right over here on the top. In the T480, the speaker grills are in the down part, which is not good. In the down part in the T490, there is the fan grills, I mean the air inlets, okay, and the over here is the exit for the air. So yeah, that's it. And now let's open it, and you can see that there is one disadvantage. You can't open it like this, like normally. You have to hold it and open it. And you can see that in the ThinkPad T series you always have this. In this also is there. You can just slide it this side for unlocking it, and for locking it just slide it this side. You can see that when it's locked, you can understand it by a red dot right over here. There is a red dot right over here. I'll show it to you from close. Yeah, you can see the red dot is right over there, and when it's unlocked, the red dot is not here. This is also a LED, so when the camera is activated, this is the LED, and there are two microphones. So this is good for safety too, and this particular one has i5 8 Gen. You can see it right over here, and it has Windows 10 Pro, my current version. And this is my daily driver laptop too, so I use this a lot every day. This is only my laptop, so that's why you can see it's a little bit dirty too. And now let's go to the charger. So this is the charger itself. It's a 65-watt charger, which means the laptop will get charged in seconds. And my current version is bought from US, so I have a US style adapter. That's not a big of deal, and you can see that it has the Type-C connector for it. So yeah, that's all. And now let's boot up the laptop. It's shut down right now, so let's boot up it. Getting booted up, and let me say something about the display. It's 1500 nits, which is pretty good for a laptop, and it's really slim. It's very slim, and it's 13.5 inches in length, and yeah, so that's it. And you can see that the lock screen has come up of Windows 10 Pro. So as you can see, I can just unlock it through my fingerprint, and it's just getting unlocked. You can see it got unlocked too, and these are all of my files. Just ignore that, and I'll show you Google. So you can see this is the latest version of Windows 10 Pro, so that's really good. And you can see that the red light is on over here. When it's in sleep mode, the red light will be blinking, and when it's shut down or when it's hibernated, that time the red light won't blink at all. Yeah, so this is Chrome in this, a non-gloss display. So this display isn't glossy at all, and there is keyboard lighting. You can see that the keyboard is also lit up. Wait, I'll off the lights and I'll show you. Hey guys, I'm back after offing all the lights, and you can see that this is lit up through the keyboard lighting thingy. And then I will show you the minimum. This is the minimum one, and this is the most maximum one. And this also has eye care, so I'll be right back after offing that eye care. Yeah, so guys, I have off the eye care mode on this, and now you can see the real brightness of the display. It's really bright, and the power button also has a LED right over here, and you can off this like that, and that's it for this. Now let's on the lights. Hey guys, I'm back after on the lights, and the touchpad is really good, but then it's not so big like Apple's touchpads and all. It's pretty good, I liked it, but then it's not so good like Apple's one. Apple's touchpads are really nice, and there is one disadvantage of this laptop, which is that it only has 2 USB ports. It does not have 3. So having 3 USB ports is really nice, but then this does not have it, so that's not a problem. Although this laptop is really fast, it's extremely fast. You can see how much fast is it. I'll just show it to you. You can see how much fast is this, and I'll press Alt Tab. See how much fast is this. This laptop, this current laptop has only 250 GBs SSD. It's SSD. You are having many versions of 1 terabyte also, but I bought the 250 GBs SSD. So yeah, you can see this is Google Chrome, and I'll show you one really cool feature on this. You can scroll like this too, and you can also scroll by pressing this middle button and then handling it through this. So that's a really cool feature in in ThinkPad. So that's really cool, and the keyboard is really soft and it makes no noise at all. I'll just show you. I'll show you the typing speed of this. I'm on Microsoft Word now, so I'll type Andrew Shano. Wow guys, I love the keyboard of this. I use this as a daily driver because this thing's keyboard is awesome. Its battery life is awesome. Although you can use this like for 24 hours, but then if you use it like heavy uses and all, it will go for 6 hours easily. So that you can charge this from 0 to 100 just in 2 hours. Hey guys, I'm back here. I hope you liked the review. If you did like it, do subscribe, share, like and comment the video. So that's all for today. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye.